Hi, my name is Ryan Gillingham. I'm the Director of Public Works for the City of McKinney. I'm very excited to be standing here in our new Public Works facility located on US 75 just south of Bloomdale Road. And we moved into this new facility of May of this past year. So the 2019 bond was approximately $350 million and supported parks, infrastructure, as well as new facilities. This facility here, which was part of that bond program, was approximately $23 million, so we purchased the existing facility for about $13 million and then put about $9 million into the renovations here. So the way we've split up our operations is all of our divisions that required a yard are currently over at our existing facility. Those would include water, wastewater, and streets because they need a place to store materials and the like. Our operations that did not need a yard came over to our new facility here. So those would be environmental services, fleet, as well as facilities maintenance. So within our fleet services, this facility has allowed us to expand our operations. We have about 3 times the space to be able to work on vehicles, police, fire, public works, and all the other city vehicles. The Public Works Department is responsible for maintaining approximately 900 vehicles throughout the city. Part of developing a new facility here is we were able to look at our needs in a new and different way. We have designed the space so that we have new collaboration rooms and different ways in which we can interact with one another. We really believe that this is going to create efficiencies for us and be able to really deliver better service for the residents. For more information about Public Works and the services that we provide, don't hesitate to check out the city's website and click on the Public Works link.